In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best G drone alternatives available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best G drone alternatives, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best G Drone Alternatives. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. G Mavic Air Quadcopter 3-axis gimbal camera, 32 megapixel sphere panoramas, foldable remote controller, 8 GB internal storage, a marvel of engineering and design, asteroid and other autonomous flight modes, 3-direction obstacle avoidance sensors, 100 megabyte per second video capture, great camera, HDR photo capture, compact design, competitive price. Number 4. The G Air 22S Drone Quadcopter AirSense Transponder Half-hour flight limit time 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor advanced safety features small and lightweight 7.5 miles FHD transmission. The 1-inch sensor offers super pictures, advanced obstacle avoidance, portable and easy to carry around, great battery life. ND filters in the Fly More combo are a nice touch. Number 3. The G Rise Tech Telo Mini Drone, equipped with a high-quality image processor. The camera features 5 megapixel photos and HD 720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. HD 720p video capture resolution. Preserve great memories with high-resolution pictures. 100M image transmission distance. Using the G Smart Technology Controller compatibility. Smartphone VR headset compatibility. Low battery protection. Vision positioning system. Number 2. The G Mavic Air 2 Fly Drone Superlative battery life, strong image and video quality, obstacle detection and avoidance, AirSense transponder, 8K hyperlapse time-lapse video, up to 34 minutes of flight time, remote controller and Fly More accessories, 1080p video transmission up to 6.2 miles, HDR video image and panoramas, APAS 3.0 obstacle avoidance, focus track subject tracking modes, return to home and precision landing. Number 1. The G Mini 2 Fly Drone 31-minute max flight time, automated quick shots, 10 kilometers video transmission, stronger motors and connection than Mavic Mini, GPS and other safety features, up to 6.2 mile range with Auto-Sync, 8.8 Oz, lightweight and foldable design, 3-axis gimbal with 4K 30 video, capture 12 megapixel stills in JPG and RAW, intelligent flight and panorama modes, automatic takeoff or hover and return to home.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.